Hi, Andy with Nail Gun Depot. We're here to introduce Metabo's N1804DAM cordless quarter crown stapler. Now you're wondering why that's such a big deal. Well, cordless staplers can go anywhere you want. It's ideal for fence work, it's ideal for exterior soffits, and you can either go traipsing out in the woods and build some bat houses or bird houses with your Boy Scout troop. Couple of features and benefits. It does have a belt hook, cordless operation, quarter crown. We can also get the staples in a stainless steel. Applications include a variety. Primarily you can do exterior soffit, and if you're getting an exterior you need a stainless steel staple, it is available. You can get into the small fencing, small wire fencing. It'll fit right over that wire. We have stainless steel also for that. Basically just push the button, turn your power on, depress, and fire. You're good to go. Metabo HPT claims that their cordless stapler is lighter than the DeWalt and lighter than the Milwaukee. The tool drives a quarter crown staple, which would be your L-wire or your 90 series staples, from a 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches. It has about 1,300 cycles per charge, and it has a unique air drive system. High and stable productivity for your job site applications. The airspring drive system has 0 ramp up time, increased driving speed, and recoil that feels like a pneumatic nailer. Selectable trigger with either bump fire or you can have sequential, and it has an adjustable belt hook. Lightweight at only 4.4 pounds. And like I said, since it's cordless, it goes wherever you want. And it's got the good Metabo name for a good durable product. Thank you.